Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Big AI news this week. The world of artificial intelligence has been making waves this week with several groundbreaking developments. Major advancements in AI models, cost reduction, and the rise of AI agents are reshaping the industry faster than ever. If you're interested in the latest AI news and its impact on businesses and individuals, this update will break it all down for you in a simple way. Let's dive in. One of the biggest announcements in AI this week is the upcoming release of DeepSeek R2, an advanced AI model that could completely disrupt the AI industry. Developed by a Chinese company, this model is expected to be launched much sooner than anyone anticipated. DeepSeek R1, the previous version, already made headlines when it caused a massive $1 trillion drop in the global stock market. Investors were shaken by the realization that a smaller company could produce AI technology that competes with major American firms at a fraction of the cost. DeepSeek R2 aims to be even better. It will have improved coding abilities, enhanced reasoning skills, and support for more languages, including Spanish. This expansion makes it a strong competitor in the global AI market. The most shocking aspect of DeepSeek R1 was its affordability. It was 20 to 40 times cheaper than OpenAI's models. Because of this, OpenAI had to reduce its prices just to stay competitive. DeepSeek is also unique because it focuses on efficiency. Instead of relying on the most powerful and expensive hardware, it uses a technique called the mixture of experts architecture. This means that only the necessary parts of the AI model are activated for each task, saving computing power. In addition, DeepSeek's parent company has invested heavily in supercomputing clusters, which allow them to train their AI models effectively. The company has also introduced several new tools to improve AI development, including FlatMLA, a GPU-optimized decoding kernel for faster text generation, DeepGEM, a library for efficient matrix multiplications, and DeepEP, a communication library for mixture of experts models. These innovations indicate that DeepSeek R2 will be an even more powerful and cost-effective AI model. If it lives up to expectations, it could force AI pricing to drop further, making high-quality AI accessible to more businesses and individuals. Next is the new Manus AI. Manus AI is a groundbreaking artificial intelligence agent developed by the Chinese startup Monica. Launched on March 6, 2025, Manus has quickly gained international attention for its advanced autonomous capabilities, positioning itself as a significant player in the AI landscape. Manus operates independently, breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps without continuous user guidance. This autonomy allows it to handle a wide range of activities efficiently. The AI agent can process and generate text, images, and code, making it versatile for diverse applications. This multimodal functionality enables Manus to adapt to various user needs seamlessly. Manus seamlessly integrates with external tools such as web browsers, code editors, and database management systems. This integration enhances its ability to automate workflows and interact with third-party applications effectively. Through continuous user interactions, Manus learns and optimizes its performance, providing personalized responses and improving over time. This adaptive learning approach ensures that the AI agent remains relevant and efficient in various tasks. Manus AI can write, test, and debug code across various programming languages and frameworks, streamlining the development process. The AI agent is capable of analyzing large data sets, identifying patterns, and generating insights, aiding in informed decision-making. Manus also assists in generating high-quality content, including articles, reports, and creative writing, enhancing productivity for writers and marketers. Currently, Manus is in a private testing phase with limited access granted to select users. Next, GPT-5 is coming. Rumors are swirling about OpenAI's next major release. GPT-5 expected to be significantly more advanced than GPT-4. This new model could introduce better reasoning, longer text windows, and more human-like interactions. Some leaks suggest that GPT-5 will enhance multimodal capabilities, allowing it to work seamlessly with text, images, and possibly even video. If these advancements hold true, GPT-5 could set a new standard for AI performance and usability. Another major development in AI this week is OpenAI's plan to introduce AI agents that could replace entire teams of workers. These AI workers are designed to perform complex tasks 24/7 without requiring breaks, making them highly attractive to companies looking to cut costs and increase efficiency. According to leak reports, OpenAI is launching AI agents at 3 different pricing tiers. You have $2,000 per month. This is just an entry-level AI for knowledge work. Next is $10,000 per month and AI assistance for developers, and $20,000 per month for PhD-level research AI. The demand for these AI workers is expected to skyrocket. OpenAI's revenue has already grown from $1 billion in 2023 to $3.7 billion in 2024, with a projected increase to $12.7 billion in 2025. A large portion of this growth is expected to come from AI agents. These AI agents go beyond simple coding tasks. They can read documentation and troubleshoot code issues, install packages and manage development environments, clone GitHub repositories and run tests, fix bugs, and optimize code without human input. Wow, that's crazy. While they might not replace experienced senior developers yet, they're already capable of handling tasks that would typically require junior or entry-level programmers. This could make it harder for newcomers in tech industry to find jobs, as companies might opt for AI solutions instead. Next, Alibaba has also entered the AI race with the launch of its new models, Qwen QWQ-Max and QWQ-32B. These models are open-source reasoning AIs with different capabilities and parameter sizes. Qwen QWQ-Max is a high-performance model built for enterprise use, while QWQ-32B offers a balance between efficiency and accessibility. Mistral has made a significant breakthrough in AI with the launch of its new document understanding API called Mistral OCR. This AI tool is designed to extract and process information from documents, making it ideal for research, customer service, and historical preservation. Unlike traditional OCR tools, Mistral OCR can understand text and media elements within documents, tables, equations, and complex layouts, multiple languages with high accuracy. Mistral OCR is being used in scientific research to convert papers into AI-friendly formats, historical document digitization, customer service automation by transforming manuals into searchable knowledge bases. This technology is expected to improve efficiency across various industries, making it easier to process and analyze large volumes of information. Amazon is also preparing to enter the AI race with its upcoming Nova AI model. Expected to be released by mid-2025, Nova aims to compete with OpenAI, DeepSeek, and other leading AI models. Unlike previous AI models, Nova is being designed to specialize in advanced reasoning, making it more effective in decision-making and problem-solving tasks. Some potential features of Nova AI include hybrid reasoning, a combination of fast response times and deep analytical processing; enterprise focus, aimed at businesses needing AI for logistics, customer service, and financial analysis; enhanced efficiency. Amazon is reportedly optimizing Nova AI to be more cost-effective compared to existing models. As Amazon continues to expand its presence in AI, Nova could become a major player in both consumer and enterprise AI applications. The AI industry is evolving rapidly with new models and tools emerging every week. DeepSeek R2, OpenAI's agents, GPT-5, etc. are just a few examples of the game-changing technologies shaping the future. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Introducing Livecaster 24/7, the ultimate video traffic boost. Multiplier organic reach and audience with live, dynamic video programming. Live stream from most any social media platform and multiple your reach up to 10 times with Livecaster 24/7. Supercharge your marketing reach with Livecaster 24/7's powerful features. We got a 3 times boost in reach from live streaming. Social Baker reports 92% extra reach for live videos, and reach tests just 48 hours after publishing. Live videos have the most reach among all the video formats on social. Live stream pre-recorded videos and show your best content to the world. Go live on any platform, Livecaster 24/7 makes it easy. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X, Amazon, LinkedIn, Kick, Twitch, Stream, Rumble, and the rest of them. Content creators get a reach boost and get more viewers for your existing content. E-commerce marketers sell anything better with live videos. Grab the top spots on news feeds and search results effortlessly. Leave your competition in the dust with a live streaming reach boost. Livecast multiple videos simultaneously on multiple platforms. Schedule your livecasts. Go live even when you're sleeping. Create live stream channels. Live stream long videos without limitations. Live stream multiple videos in a queue using our streams feature. Live loop technology loops your livecast for an unending live stream. Supports HT and high-quality livecasts. Supports all popular video formats. Download YouTube videos for streaming. Detailed reporting and fail-safe mechanisms. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Livecaster 24/7 now. Just go to livecaster.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.